Welcome to the Corvette Diner Alarm Clock Pep Rally at Valhalla High School. Let's bring out the football team. All right, guys, big game tonight. What do you got to do in order to get the win, Brian?
Oh, we just got to execute. We got to finish our plays and just execute.
You got to finish your plays and execute. Who's got the sticker? I'm going to hand this to you. You know what to do. Put the sticker on the helmet.
Watch, watch, ready? Here we go, let's go!
We got the Corvette Diner in the house. Holy cow. I doubt they've ever seen anything like this. They are bringing it for the very first pep rally of the season here at Valhalla High School. This is your very first pep rally.
Very first one.
Are you excited?
I'm excited and I think I might go deaf. This is pretty impressive.
Oh, Matt Gilson is